Power on.
Packaging box. Storage bag. Clamp watch, watch pen line, manual, and complete accessories. Battery installation display. AC current.
Alternating current RMS 1.672 ampere.
Non-contact sensing.
Power on.
DC voltage.
Direct voltage 1.572 volts. Direct voltage 7.7 volts. Direct voltage 11.43 volts.
AC voltage.
Alternating voltage RMS 215 volts. Alternating voltage RMS 317 volts.
Diode.
2.648 volts. 1.694 volts. 1.89 volts.
Buzzer. Resistance.
2.365 kilo ohm. 100.7 ohm. 100.7 ohm.
Frequency.
49.98 Hertz.
Capacitance. Short circuit discharge is required before measurement.
1.093 millifarad. 51.22 microfarad.